Aloha, beautiful entrepreneurs. I hope that you've had a fabulous week this week. In this week's video, I want to focus on the choices that you have. Now, we have gone back down into lockdown in Melbourne, in Australia, and it has really highlighted the choice of the empowered versus the disempowered path. Now, what I'm talking about, of course, is the choice that we have over our emotions, our beliefs, and our thoughts. So, there's two parts of me. One is like, I love the quiet because I've got this introverted part of me, and I love the quiet. I love that there's no traffic. I love that we get to stay home. It is so nice and peaceful in my neighborhood. So, I'm like, oh, thank goodness. The other part of me is the freedom-seeking, adventurous girl that I am who loves nature, who just wants to cross the state and like jump into the water and go and disappear in the jungle or something. So I have these two parts of me playing with each other, and perhaps you're relating to this in terms of your business. Maybe there's one part of you that really wants to succeed and this other part that is holding you back. Now, we get to choose which path we take every single day. We get to choose what emotions that we follow through with. We get to choose what kind of thoughts we have, what kind of beliefs that we have. And sometimes, to be honest, we need help with seeing that. But in the end, we have to choose that path. It is not something that is done unconsciously. You must first be aware of what it is that you are thinking, what it is that you are feeling, acknowledge where it comes from, and then acknowledge that there is a choice, and then take that choice. And of course, you get to choose whether it is an empowering set of beliefs and thoughts and viewpoints, or if it's a disempowering set of beliefs, thoughts, and viewpoints. So that is the invitation for today. If you are struggling with some of this, if you're like, have two parts fighting against you in terms of the success of a business or in any part of your life, then really take a look at where you have decided, where you have chosen to put your attention to and chosen which path you're going down, and then decide whether you want to switch. Because if you're in the disempowered place, you're not going to get far. And this is the work that I do with my clients. So yes, strategy takes you so far in your business success, but then after that, after you've nailed the strategy, after you've gotten your marketing down, after you've figured out your niche, you've got your messaging, it takes you to the point where you have to work on your inner beliefs, on your limiting beliefs, on your inner world, those thoughts, those identities that keep you stuck in a rut and don't allow you to expand your business into the dream that you actually want it to be. And in an easy way, because I believe that it can be easy too. So if you're interested in knowing more about this, I actually have a free masterclass coming up on Tuesday, the 15th of June at 7 p.m. Melbourne time. I will pop a time converter in there so you can check out what time it is for you. Register. It's part of a summit of 27 other speakers. My masterclass is on Tuesday the 15th, and it's called Moving Beyond Be Yourself, and how real authenticity affects your profit, prosperity, and purpose. And I would love you to join me, because in that masterclass, we will be covering this and more in terms of the frame of authenticity. So it's going to be something I guarantee you have not heard before, that you have not seen this bent before, and I want to share it with you. I want to share it with you now, but I can't. I have to wait. So if this is interesting to you, if you're like, I need to figure this out, I want some guidance, I'm not going to hold anything back. It's going to be 60 minutes, and I'm going to pack in as much as I can in terms of content and practical things. And you're going to leave with an embodied experience of what it means to be truly authentic, and therefore in your most powerful self, and taking the empowered path so that you can expand your wealth and you can create breakthroughs in your business. So I'll drop a link into the description there. Otherwise, if you have any more questions about this video, then comment. If you loved what I do, then share it. Follow me. Do all the things that would be amazing to spread this message if you think it's really good and someone needs to hear it. And otherwise, I will catch you, hopefully, at the summit with me in a couple of weeks' time. Ciao for now. Bye.